The whales are just insane. The day when everything changes is today. Even the biggest whales are scared because the 39 trillion assault has only just started and will have a devastating effect. I don't even know what's happening. Allow me to clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. A huge price fall occurred across the board in the cryptocurrency industry earlier this week. The remarkable 19-day inflow run for Bitcoin ETF came to an end as a result of this major occurrence. There were a lot of dissatisfied folks, as expected. As a result of the abrupt decline in value, several investors lost faith and were cautious of the market's potential instability. But today, I have some wonderful news to tell you. Over $100 million has returned to Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs. A return to previous levels of enthusiasm and trust in the cryptocurrency industry after the price correction is likely behind this upturn. As the market begins to show indications of stability, investors are gradually recovering their confidence. Now, this is really intriguing. Bitcoin whales took advantage of the widespread selling frenzy by buying up 20,600 Bitcoin, or more than $1.38 billion, in the span of a single day. As a calculated reaction to the market's volatility, this purchasing frenzy is their biggest single-day purchase since the end of February. I find the timing really interesting. In a span of only a few days in late February, the value of Shiba Inu jumped threefold. Could the past be a pattern for this occasion? Do you think a comparable wave is about to break now? Here, we'll discover. Recent data from CryptoQuant shows that whales have been amassing more Bitcoin than ever before, surpassing even the early days of Bitcoin spot ETFs. Despite the market volatility, prominent investors seem to be quite confident in Bitcoin's long-term potential. Simultaneously, the fact that Bitcoin's market share has dropped to its lowest point since December 2021 suggests that investors are generally positive on the cryptocurrency. When Bitcoin is not traded on exchanges, it usually means that investors are hanging onto their holdings because they think values will go up. This optimistic view is correct since there is less immediate supply for purchasers when there are fewer Bitcoins on exchanges. Prices might rise due to buyer competition for a limited supply if demand stays the same or grows. The basic example of how market prices are affected by supply and demand. Now let's talk about Ethereum. Whales have been busy buying a ton of Ether, reaching roughly $840 million. This reflects a high level of curiosity and optimism for Ethereum's prospective future worth, similar to the attitude seen with Bitcoin. On the other hand, Ethereum's exchange reserves have grown somewhat, in contrast to Bitcoin. Whatever the case may be, Shiba Inu is now in the news because to its enormous transaction volumes, which have increased by an astounding 170% and are indicative of whale activity. This trend among cryptocurrencies is indicative of active rebalancing by huge investors who are putting their money into both established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum and newer ones like Shiba Inu. It highlights how big players in the crypto market are interested in a wide range of assets and are using strategy to influence the market in different ways. This finding was generated by an analytics business and entered the block. Notably, it classifies big transactions as only involving transfers with a value over $100,000. The aggregate value of all such crypto market transactions may be determined by looking at this statistic, which is called huge transactions volume. An increase or decrease in this volume usually means that institutional investors are purchasing or selling cryptocurrencies at a higher rate than usual. Shiba Inu's massive transaction volume has increased by an astounding 170% in the last day, according to the most recent statistics from Into the Block. The increased volume of transactions equates to $467 million, or almost 21 trillion Shiba Inu tokens. Institutional actors within the Shiba Inu ecosystem are very active, as seen by the huge movement in big transactions. Things start to become intriguing at this point. The recent 170% increase in whale transactions using Shiba Inu tokens may indicate that key participants are attempting to safeguard a crucial price range of 39 trillion tokens. Into the Block reports that over 40,000 addresses have about 39 trillion Shiba Inu coins at the current price range. This means that the biggest Shiba Inu holders, known as whales, are making a concerted effort to keep the price of the cryptocurrency at this critical level. Stability is more than simply a passive hope. As a defensive tactic, it's proactive. Holding the support level can set off a price reversal for Shiba Inu. The 39 trillion Shiba Inu mark has the potential to entice more purchasers who may see the stability as an indication of potential price increases. Yes, this is a very critical position, since the success of this defensive approach may indicate a promising future for Shiba Inu. This is your final opportunity to purchase Shiba Inu before their value might increase by 501%, according to a Bitcoin expert who just made the audacious claim. In the cryptocurrency community, such extreme price forecasts often spark great enthusiasm and extensive debate. Investors, traders, and aficionados are all captivated when experts predict such substantial price rises. People begin to question the veracity of these forecasts, speculate on the causes of this rise, and argue about how fast they should move to take advantage of this opportunity. However, from whence did he first get the 501% figure? All right, let's make a go of it. Analyst Mags just updated his analysis to show that the present market valuation of Shiba Inu is the final chance for the crypto community to purchase at a bargain price before a possible aggressive price increase. Those who are ignoring Shiba Inu right now would come to regret it, according to Mags, who was alluding to an impending upward trend. The positive tone of the analyst's comment shows that they are confident in the future price trajectory of Shiba Inu. With the help of the following figure, Mags demonstrated how well he predicted the significant increase in Shiba Inu sales during the first 3 months of this year. He said that he bought Shiba Inu just before it rose, and by March it had recovered to levels not seen in 3 years. Mags currently anticipates that the halted bullish trend is prepared to restart after a 2-month consolidation phase. He predicts that by September, Shiba Inu might reach a new record high of over 3,014 dogs. A massive increase of 501% from where it is now would be necessary to achieve this lofty goal. Many other cryptocurrency experts echo Mags's positive prediction. A seasoned Bitcoin supporter named Vince Jeremy has lately voiced his belief that Shiba Inu is about to make another bold leap, but with a somewhat lower price goal. Although their goals are different, both experts are of the opinion that Shiba Inu will most certainly see an upswing soon. The positive outlook on Shiba Inu has been bolstered by the recent comments made by crypto instructor Rafael Arrigo. She said that she stocked up at the price drop, setting herself up for a possible increase in Shiba Inu. Despite the hopeful thoughts from experts, we must not overlook the ongoing defense of the 39 trillion Shiba Inu level. Levels of defense support as high as 39 trillion Shiba Inu plays a significant role in price stabilization and halts future price declines. The market may see more selling pressure without this support, which might slow or stop any price increases. However, how do you feel about that? Submit your thoughts in the space provided. Your comment would be much appreciated. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.